Hi, I'm Michelle, and today I'm here to show you how to use WeVibe Chorus, the premier couples toy from WeVibe. WeVibe combines the best of tech and innovative thinking to create fun, versatile toys for everyone and anyone that's in the mood for sensual fun. Featuring 2 rumbling vibrators, a handy remote, and a smooth adjustable design, Chorus is designed to be worn during sex and will be enjoyed by both partners simultaneously. This toy literally shares the love. One arm fits internally while the other rests outside the body against the clitoris. With a small yet powerful vibe on each arm of the C shape, Chorus brings seamless pleasure to both you and your partner. So much so, you'll both be singing Chorus's praises in no time. Whether you prefer the slow build or to make an entrance, Chorus has 10 exciting vibration modes for you to explore. And when it comes to controlling your toy, it's just as individual. You can use the unique responsive squeeze remote to adjust the intensity. That's right, tightening your grip will intuitively increase the vibrations, while relaxing your grip takes things down a notch or 2. It literally speaks your body's language. Alternatively, there's also the option to switch things up by managing your toy via the WeConnect smartphone app. This lets you control your toy whether you're in the same room or a different country. It's perfect for long distance or even just enjoying some digital downtime. Plus, you can get creative with the WeConnect app and customize your own vibe modes and patterns. Using WeVibe's AnkorLink tech, you can use your remote as a pairing base between your phone and toy. That means an even better connection between your WeConnect app and the toy itself. Now it's time to enjoy your Chorus. First up, adjust the curve of the toy with your hands until you have the shape perfect for you. There are 2 joints in the curve, so gently bend the toy at these points. With simple adjustments, you can tailor it to your exact shape for the closest and most secure fit. Now switch the toy on using the control button on the external arm and insert its G-spot stimulator. The external arm should just rest right above the clitoris. Your remote arrives paired to your toy, but if you need to make sure your remote is connected, just press any button on the remote for 5 seconds. Your Chorus will pulse in your palm once it's connected. To use the unique responsive squeeze function, just press the remote's function button to adjust the intensity whenever you like. Now, you and your partner are ready to take your sensual moments to the next level. When it comes to cleaning your toy, you just need a gentle soap or toy cleaner. Remember, the WeVibe Chorus is completely waterproof, so rinse it thoroughly and then pat dry. To clean your remote, wipe it down with a damp cloth. After that, you can pop it back in the charging case, where it's not only kept safe, but can also recharge ready for your next playtime. So, that's everything you need to know about your new Chorus. Now, it's time for you and your partner to take matters into your own hands and explore for yourselves.